Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, Digger Evans Model Railway. What you're looking at here is the latest acquisition for the layout. It's that's a picture of what it should look like. I've got these from Woodland Scenic buildings. This one, as you can see, I'm with it now. I don't know if we can see. There we go. I've just painted with red oxide primer both these sides. Let's shift that light. And now I'm using this stuff here, artist acrylic, just to do the window frames and stuff, using Humbrol very tiny 00 brush. As you can see there, that's ever so tiny. And I'm doing all these all the window frames in green, as you can see there. It's going to take some time. These kits come and they're not, that's the front of the building. I've got that to do yet. These are the back walls. Everything's molded into one, so you get the kit like this, and the window frames and all the architecture is already molded in there. So you don't have to assemble it as much, just 4 pieces to put together and then ding a roof on. But you have to spend a lot more time doing the painting on them. You know, like a Walther's building comes, everything's separate. The window frames are on their own sprue. You spray it up, take them off and fit them in. This is the other way around, so I'm not going to sit here and do any painting of the window frames, and everyone's just going to be really bored doing that, myself included. But what I will do, when I've painted it all up ready for assembly, I'll do a video of assembling everything together. Also, I did get, besides this one, I ordered 4 from osbornemodels.com. 2 of them have arrived and 2 are yet to arrive because they weren't ready, or they weren't delivered or something. This is the other one I've ordered. It's a catalogue showroom. It's a red brick building, which I like, and that's going to be the next build after I've done this big one and install it on the layout. The last thing I've got to show you, what I've been up to, is I got a parcel delivered. Oh, no focus again. I got a parcel delivered and I had this beautiful gift of a Class 86 locomotive from my friend Rachel and Sean over in Crewe. That's the pantograph comes up and down and everything. It's a beautiful model, and they've sent me that as a gift. Beautiful. I'm very grateful. I like that. She runs superbly, and we will have a go at running soon enough, but this is just a quick couple of minutes just to let you know what I'm doing. This is good because it's keeping me occupied during this lockdown. It really is. And I'm just doing windows, painting them all up, taking my time and just doing it as and when. That's all it is for now. I will say we are, as a channel, very close to hitting 1,000 subscribers, which is great. I really do appreciate each and every single one of you who has subscribed and everyone who watches the videos. If you're watching now and you like what you see but you're not subscribed, please do consider subscribing. I really would appreciate it. It'd be very helpful. A like and a subscribe is always thoroughly appreciated. Thank you all very much for watching, and thank you all for subscribing and supporting my channel. Thank you all very much. It means a lot to me. Bye bye for now everyone, and do take care. Bye bye my friends.